Can I transfer money from a prepaid card to a bank account online?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to delve into a commonly asked question. Can I transfer money from a prepaid card to a bank account online? The quick answer is, it depends on your card provider. Some prepaid cards allow you to transfer funds to a bank account, while others don't. Let's dig deeper to understand the process.
What is a prepaid card?
A prepaid card is a type of card that allows you to use the money you've loaded onto it in advance. They function similarly to both credit and debit cards, but the significant difference is that you're not borrowing money from a bank nor are you drawing from a checking account. Instead, you're spending the money you've placed on the card beforehand. This can be a convenient and safe way to manage your money.
Can I transfer money from a prepaid card to a bank account?
The ability to transfer money from a prepaid card to a bank account largely depends on your card provider. Some providers do offer this functionality, but it's not a universal feature. To find out if your prepaid card offers this service, you'll need to refer to the cardholder agreement or contact the customer service department of your card provider.
How do I transfer money from a prepaid card to a bank account?
If your card provider allows it, the process can often be done online. The steps generally involve logging into your online account associated with your prepaid card, selecting a transfer or withdrawal option, and then providing the necessary information about your bank account where you want the money to be transferred. Ensure you have your bank account number and bank routing number ready.
Are there fees involved?
It's important to note that there may be fees associated with transferring money from your prepaid card to your bank account. These fees will vary depending on your prepaid card provider. Always check the cardholder agreement or consult with customer service to understand any potential charges. In summary, while it's possible to transfer money from some prepaid cards to a bank account online, the service isn't universally available. It's always best to double-check with your prepaid card provider. We hope this video has been useful in helping you understand more about prepaid cards and how you can manage your money with them. Until next time.